Hi there, welcome to Teen STEAM. I'm Amy and I will be teaching you how to make a teleidoscope using science, engineering, art, and math from the acronym STEAM. So we will be talking about the laws of reflection and what is happening when you view an object through the teleidoscope tube. In 1816, Scotsman Dr. David Brewster arranged mirrors and objects in a tube and called it a kaleidoscope. Then, in 1970, John Leon Burnside III patented the teleidoscope, where objects outside the device were observed. Alright, so for this project, we are going to need a few things. So I have everything out here and a few examples. We are going to need toilet paper rolls, or any kind of tube. I have this kind of tube as well that you can get for papers at the Staples that has the different ends. We're going to need cotton balls. We're going to need a ruler to measure out our mirrors. We are going to need some glass pieces for our mirrors. We are going to need a protractor. We're going to need some scissors. And then some decorating tools, so some tape to make it colorful and to identify the different angles, marker so that you can write the different angles on the tube, kind of like I've done here, so that I know which tube is which angle, and then maybe some stickers just to decorate your creation. Make sure to check that the incident angle and reflective angle have appropriate angle totals for the number of reflections you wish to create. Experiment by making multiple teleidoscopes with different angle totals to see the differences. You will have to adjust the measurements of the glass pieces or the size of your tube to accommodate for the angle needed. For the 60-degree triangle, the top is measured at 3.5 centimeters. For the 30-degree triangle, the top is 4 centimeters. And for the square, the top is 3 centimeters across. So what is happening inside? First, we need to understand light and the laws of reflection. White light is a combination of multiple colors. Roy G. Biv. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. It reflects off glass or mirror with an equivalent angle of incident and angle of reflection. Since there are 7 colors within the light, any color it comes in contact at the end of the tube gets absorbed, which results in multiple reflections of light. The world is your kaleidoscope with a teleidoscope. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you find some beauty in the objects around you. To learn more about light reflection, check out the library's online database collection using the OmniSearch with EBSCO option. If you do this wonderful craft experiments and create your own teleidoscope, let us know by taking a picture or sending us your images and tag us at Keep Calm and Steam On.